AVGO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this very brief, short 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly my play and everything with Broadcom stock. Especially now as I'm just observing this. It's actually so bullish and I quite like it. Not in a way where I'm just going to immediately start buying or whatever, but just recently I've gotten the most beautiful long side swing prediction that, by the way, was called out here. So I was willing to take it from 166 up to like 250 2 months ago. So that was so good. And since this is delivered, that's for right here, I'm going to mark out the top. Just unless I see the price pulling down and giving me some more rules and a confirmation, why the heck would I look to buy or really trade this? I mean, again, it's no sweat. Of course, I'm not going to look today. And I do have a lot of previous receipts with AVGO. I mean, I know it's going to be just about being patient now, but even if it does not reach to 40 bucks, definitely can work something out. But since it's just sitting at the top here, I'm not going to look to randomly buy. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then you just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.